Dr. Mukul sangma ubederu unong ilam kaliang persya hayeng dorbar habai kran cikilat pathai kubor menta ke sautrik nailur ulakan thai ke Sorkar MDA da ke bau Kynnoh bau Myntri Rangbah u Konrad ke sangma lambat ki breujung ki bedon hakabor ki don bentalang ban yasubuj hakakam ban peniat duyong Beaiñ nalor ke jing ai jing tip ke babakla saka NGT ke jing don udoyong baladap sei hadu lai pu arlak metrik ton Susu Dr. Mukul ul Kynnoh ru baka Sorkar MDA kadai ke bapenslur ke kamti bat khayi duyong Beaiñ bat karukom trekam jongka kalongkum ki mafia da ke baula kedawi ki kam mafia kene ke Sorkar kumbala jai ke kong agnes karsiye bat ki wei ki basak tambor tang namar baki yang persai ke jingile ke bomdei Dr. Mukul ulong ba kumbala pau ki lat pathai kubor man ke por baki truk bakit duyong pathar klem don nong pek nong talasi bat kini ki dai ki basu penyaj klem ki kot kisla ki bdei hok na ke Sorkar badia kane lalap ru da ke RBYF ye ki truk hanarang ki bayat saho klem ki kot kisla amtang kata Dr. Mukul ulong ba karukom trekam kene ke Sorkar kalongkum ke kenhun mafia kiban persyang ban bat ke bor da kanu kalap batkan sapoi ke por bakin knyot iki bor ki persya iki batkan penjot ya kasinsar khadar ke Sorkar hakajo ke por ula kedawi ke jing penkerja kami ki ofisar ki bidang don hakatenat pulit katenat mining bat transport nalor ki wei tang ban yo khliap ya ki an.
You look at the world over, wherever such illegalities have been allowed to go on in an organized manner, what has happened? Mafias have come up, cartels have come up, like you read about the drug cartels. You read about Colombia, how the drug cartels confronted the government, how the drug cartels ultimately control the whole administration and governance. And this is what we don't want in Meghalaya. I don't want my Meghalaya to be like that. My children and my grandchildren are going to live here. So, the kind of modus operandi that is in operation today under the direct command of the Chief Minister and his other people who are partners in crime is going to create this kind of dangerous situation in the state in the years to come. And we will not allow it to happen. Now, has there been response from the government? Has there been response from the Chief Minister? These are all facts and figures and the views of the people which are in circulation which substantiate the ground reality that illegalities are happening. Now, another important part is the recent capturing which is in YouTube. It's in Khasido, Lakar BYF ka जिले की ट्रक सालन देवियोंग बेआइñ लिंगबा का वे ब्रिज हानारा. You go through this, it's available in the YouTube. What does it say? And where are these trucks coming from? And how many tons are being carried? And how the trucks are parked when somebody is there to see what is happening there. Friends, you start your itinerary from the place where we have the coal mines area in Giant Jails or even West Khasids and travel through this road till those destinations where coal is being transported to and sold. And on the road, you will see substantial instances of those trucks parked somewhere with complete, I must say, with a complete level of comfort because nobody is there to catch them. Now, who has facilitated this? Who is facilitating this? Have been facilitating this. It's not just something which is happening one night, every night. So what is that? Is it not a loot from the public exchequer? With the responsibility, if you go back and revisit the first order of the Honorable NGT, you will see who are the people who are to implement. Below that, the district administration. Now, all the district administrations, number of repeated and frequent change and posting in respect of transfer and posting is to facilitate these illegalities. I repeat, is to facilitate these illegalities. In addition to this, various other officers who are delegated with the mandate of the law. Okay, you have the officers under Commissioner of Transport. You have the officers under the Directorate of Mining and Geology. You have the Police Department. all these authorities who are supposed to actually ensure compliance of law or compliance of any judgment of any judiciary system, these whole institutions have been tempered upon to facilitate this whole exercise of illegalities.